after years of multiple tours of duty, as you carry on. Yesterday, many of us took a few quiet moments to try and fathom the tremendous sacrifice Jesus made for all of us. In town squares and national cemeteries, in public services and moments of quiet reflection, we will honor those who loved their country enough to sacrifice their own lives for it. In the midst of all our busy and noisy lives, these holy days afford us the precious opportunity to slow down and spend some quiet moments in prayer and reflection. I'll be thinking about Sasha's dance recitals and Malia's tennis matches, about the conversations we've had and the quiet moments we've shared. 1 year ago today, a quiet, peaceful town was shattered by unspeakable violence. Some have been quiet. Over the years, Michelle and I have spent quiet moments with the families of the fallen.
They have been the quiet force of progress throughout our... Notice they got all quiet after that. Tucked in a quiet corner to our north are thousands of those we lost in Vietnam. Among those perfect lines of white crosses of fellow soldiers who had fallen long ago, their names forever etched in stone. Then, back where he had served 65 years before, I'm reminded of the difference each of you is making at every level of government. In the quiet neighborhoods of our small towns, in the bustling streets of our big cities, the story of progress sought by those with little influence or power, by men and women who brought about change through quiet, personal acts of compassion and defiance wherever and whenever they could. It would have been easy for Ryan and his family to stay quiet and to fight the illness in private. But many chose to live a quiet life, trading one uniform and set of responsibilities for another. Doctor, engineer, teacher, mom, dad. Finally, we honor the quiet kid from Jersey who grew up to become the rock and roll laureate of a generation.